Hello everyone, I hope you guys are ready because we have another episode of Code Combat. We are going to learn so much today and I hope you guys have your notebooks ready because we have some learning to do. So without further ado, we are going to go straight to the next level. So, enemy mine. Tread careful, danger is afoot. Arguments and basic syntax. On all of them we have had the opportunity to put an argument, just like I have said before, but on this one it is encouraged because we have to get out using 5 lines of code or less. So instead of putting hero move right twice like this, we're encouraged to use an argument and compact things. Now right here it automatically starts us with the move right and with the argument 3, so it's going to move 3 spaces to the right. Now you have to remember, like according to the instructions, we have to avoid dangers. So I believe these are dangers. They do look like mines, so we have to be careful about that. In any case, we have a clear path right here, going this way and going all the way to the exit. But still we have to be careful. Now we have move right, the clear path will be move up, then move right, then what it looks like move 3 spaces down, then move 2 spaces right. So now let's see if that works. Now first it's going to move up, which is going to move us here. Right, which is going to move us here. Move down is going to be next, which will move us here, but with the argument 3 is going to move us all the way over here. And now hero dot move right, which is going to move us here, but with an argument we are going to be able to go all the way to the exit. So now let's see how this goes. According to the line, it does look like we go all the way to the end. So that looks like fun. And now the ogre is moving. But it looks like the ogre is not immune to the fire charges. We went all the way to the end. We succeeded in all the goals, so we are good. We are victorious. And we are finally on the 5th level. True names. Learn an enemy's true name to defeat it. And the topics are going to be arguments, basic syntax, and strings. All these topics we have covered either on one of the previous levels or in one of the videos that I have on my channel. Now let's go ahead and dive straight into the level.
Not a problem.
So the goals are: attack Brock twice, collect the gem, attack Trek twice, the hero must survive. Be sure to attack each ogre twice. Use the attack method to attack an enemy by their name. Capitalization is important. So it is very important that when you send an argument, you send it formatted correctly. If not, things may not work the way you want them. And this is important in this case because now the enemies need to be defeated and we need to survive. If not, things are going to go down bad. So now let's look at the level. So now it starts pretty straightforward. Just move right and it automatically shows the hero attack Brock twice. So that will be enough if this was the only enemy. But we need to remember that we have another enemy right here. It's not really that complicated because the only thing left to do is move right after defeating Brock, then attacking Trek, and then finally reaching the end. So now let's look at the rest of the commands that we're going to put. So move right, of course. So hero dot attack, and then we also have to indicate the enemy, just like this part is indicating us. So we put track, and remember again that we have to do it twice, so we just copy and paste, and just like that. And I'm not sure if that will be enough to take us straight into the exit, so we're just going to do a move right just at the end. Now let's see if that will be enough. Be prepared, because this is the very first time that we have an actual combat.
Move right. Attack.
There we go. And the enemy is defeated.
Attack.
And
Right.
we defeated both of the enemies. We collected gems. And we are alive, ladies and gentlemen. That was great. That was interesting. And keep in mind, this is only the 5th level. So there's so much more to look forward to. And there's over 100 levels. So this is going to be intense. This is going to be amazing. And I really hope that you guys stay for the entire series, because I plan to go all the way. I will see you guys next time. Take care and good night.